Question of the day. How often do you clean your house? Comment down below and let me know. Me personally, I just clean it when it get dirty.
Every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Good morning, guys. So today it's Monday. Yes, baby. I don't know what she said. Today is Monday. I owe you guys a video, so figured I would get recording. Welcome to my messy closet. There's clothes everywhere. There's clothes there. There's clothes here. There's clothes over there. So what I'm doing is, I told you guys, yes. Okay. So I told you guys that I have to organize my drawers. So when we built the system, I just kind of like put my clothes wherever. Didn't really, put it the way I wanted it to be. So now it's kind of hard for me to like come in here and get dressed because stuff is just everywhere. So, I have I have two Claire friends. So these are just, I don't know. I have to figure out what are in here. I have bathing suits, more bathing suits. I don't know why these are in here. Kids just kind of like put stuff. And then back here, I have cover-ups back here. Let me turn the camera around and show you guys. Okay, so in these two bins, I just have all my bathing suits. And then back here, I just have all my cover-ups. And then this space right here, I just have these camis, which I have to go and get all my camis from out of my other dresser in my room to put there. Yes. And then here I have all my pajamas. And then here are all my workout tops. And then I found some more that I'm gonna put there. I was gonna hang up all my pajamas. I was gonna hang up all my workout tops here, and then put a bar right here for all my workout leggings. And then down here in this little drawer is where all my sports bra. This don't belong in here. See what I'm talking about? So that's where all my sports bra are. Over there is all my intimates. So that's what this drawer is. And then this is all my shorts. So I have like booty shorts, 3/4 length, and then I have other longer shorts. I don't know if that makes sense. That are gonna go here. So, and then down here, I feel like this is too big for just socks. I have 10 more socks, but I feel like that's too big for just socks. So I'm probably gonna put like my cotton shorts down here. And then over here, I'm making this all my jeans pants. I have these pants for forever that still have tags on them. But I never reach for them. I don't know why. And then down here, I have all my skirts. I have to organize this. Probably not today. And then here are all my leggings and sweatpants and pink clothes or just loungewear that I have to reorganize because the kids they kind of mess it up over time. So that's what I'm doing. And then I have donation pile. These are all my shorts that I gotta figure out where they're gonna go. More shoes that I gotta figure out. I don't know. I'll show you guys once it's all done. They're outside fixing the side of the road. They're fixing the curb because it's broken. Because they didn't do it right in the first place. Because Jesus loves you. Because you were born special. If you say why one more time, I'm going to smack you. So that's what I'm going to be spending my day doing. And then I have to go downstairs and clean my main living space downstairs. I also have to do some laundry. Also got to do some laundry. And, oh, did I show you? I got to show you guys the girl's hair. Because someone commented and said Justin is cute for not having her hair done. Was it that? I think it was a comment like that. But this thing has a lot of hair, and nobody got time to be playing in no hair. Like me personally, I hate to do hair. I hate playing in hair. I hate just hair gives me anxiety, and my girls have a ton of it. So yeah, welcome to my world. So I'm gonna be cleaning my closet, and my room is not bad. It's not bad. Just gotta make my bed. But let me show you guys the girls' hair. Say good morning, Maddie.
Good morning.
So my neighbor washed and stretched her hair. It's all it got wet. So stand up. Let me show them your hair. Come here. She's playing with her American girl. Turn around. Come on this side. Come on this side. We have all the space. So she's this is like 3 days old, but it was really cute when it got done. I need to take it out and redo it. So she looks cute with little tiny little things in her hair. And then Destiny, ow, ow, ooh, that hurt. I didn't cut the skin, did I? Oh my gosh. Ooh, I hit it right there. But this is Destiny. She's she called me yesterday. She was like, "Oh my gosh, girl, you did not warn me that this child has a lot of hair." So she washed, detangled it, blow it out, and this took her all day yesterday to get to this point. So she's gonna finish it today. So Miss Destiny can be cool. So yeah, I want to go shopping. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I found a table, console table. Yes, baby. You want to what? The American Girl doll store.
Yeah.
You're into that now?
Yeah.
Oh my word, we gotta tell Daddy. Ooh, that's a very expensive taste there. So, what was I saying before I was interrupted by the toddler? Oh yeah, so I found a console table for the space downstairs in the dining room. I had taken out the table that I had built and I put it in the space that we redid, the foyer area. And when I did that, I didn't have a table for the dining room anymore. So I was in the market for another table. But the table I saw, it was like over $300. So I was like, I waited and waited and waited because I knew it was going to go on sale. It's from World Market. And it's the Everett foyer table. Love that table. I don't know why. So yesterday it was like $100 off. So it was like $230. And then I had a 30% off coupon that they sent me with free shipping. Unfortunately, I didn't get the free shipping, but I got the 30% off coupon. And I was able to snag that bad boy with shipping and tax for like $225. So not bad. Shipping alone was like $50. So I would have gotten that table for way cheaper. But so she should be here July something. So anyways, I gotta go make some appointments and call some people. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So it's 11 something. Look at my baby. She's playing with dolls. Oh my gosh. I gotta clean my room. I did everyone else's room. I'm vacuuming right now. My closet is almost done. That's donation right there. Everything is put away, hung up. I just need to dust and vacuum and steam my carpet. Steam my closet floor. And then I have to, I'm almost done with the hallway. Look, there's nothing up on this thing. Nothing. I lied. Jordan's cleaning the bathroom, so he put something down there. But I just have to do the floor, vacuum. I haven't showed you guys the twins' room. No, I did. I did show you. I haven't shown the bathroom in a while. So this is Mr. Jackson's room. Isn't that so cute? So thin. I love his room now. Love, 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 love his room. Like, I love coming in here. I need to get him a rug. I gotta paint his thing. I have to hang up his books. I gotta hang up the thing, the shelf to put his books on. I gotta figure out what I'm doing with this dresser. I have so much more to do. I gotta paint the other 3 walls in here, but I have to figure out a color. But I love his room. Oh, I'm obsessed. See, my mug of choice, wifey. So, Jordan is cleaning the bathroom. The lights in here are yellow. Mr. Jason, say hi.
Hi.
Jason is vacuuming their, see, I put up the, those little storage thing for their toys and stuff. So, I'm pleased. And Friday was the first time I washed their beddies, and it washed pretty good. Something's wrong with you. What are you doing?
I'm trying.
You going through my donation clothes?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
So, what was I saying? Yeah, their bedding washed pretty good. So, it was kind of like dirty, because, you know, boys are dirty like they're girls. But all the dirt and stuff came out of it, so...
These are my shorts, right?
Yeah, those are your shorts, but I found them in with my shorts, so put them away. But yeah, it washed pretty good, so I'm happy. I have to get them 2 more beddies, just so when I'm doing their bedding, I can have another set to put on their beds. So I'm gonna get them the dash. I think I'm gonna get the twins the dash, and then get another pattern for Jaxson, and then another pattern for Destiny. I'm still on the fence about Miss Madison because she doesn't sleep in her room. But with Destiny, Rob wants to get her a full bed so that she can share it with Madison, because her room doesn't fit 2 twin size beds with all the furniture that's in there. So I'm thinking of getting her a full bed, so that means I'll have to get her a full size beddies. So I'm still kind of like, and then of course her twin size would go to Maddie, and then that would solve the problem, right? I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna go continue cleaning, and I will see y'all in. So I don't think I showed you guys this thing, but I found this at Walmart, and they have the caddy, and then they also have this little small one, which I put. See how cute this is? The lid doesn't come off of this one, which the lid completely comes off of this one. I wish it was like that too. But I put those little scent boosters thing. I need to fill this up because I'm running low. But this one is perfect for dryer sheets. See how that's stuck nicely in there? And just close it. And I got this one. I'm still in search of the caddy. And so I'm like collecting little tiny bit of stuff. I've had this one forever. I got it from the Target dollar spot, and I'm gonna put it right here when I redo my laundry room. Well, not redo my laundry room, but when I design the space. I have a whole plan for this laundry room, but I have to finish all the other spaces that I've started. But these are like really cute, and they were like really inexpensive from Walmart. This was I think $7, and that was, I don't know, but they were really inexpensive. I've done so much today. Rob is home. I'm making dinner, and we might go swimming later on. I did Maddie's hair. She looks like a nice little cow right now. And then I finished Destiny's hair that my friend started. So I just went ahead and finished it for her. Dinner's done. I'm still doing laundry. I gotta show you guys the finished closet. I finished the closet, so I'm gonna show you guys that. And what else? What else did I do today? Nothing. That's it. Oh my gosh. So, went for a walk. Still the laundry. Getting ready to give Maddie her bath for the night. I have to get just a little bit of stuff off the floor. my donation pile I have to get, but everything else is done in my closet. I'll turn the camera around and show you guys what I've accomplished. So I got all the clothes out of there. I did this drawer for like my lounge shorts and my socks. I didn't even fold those. And then these are all my shorts. The rest are in the wash. Kept those two the same. This one are all my jeans. Rest of them in the wash. And I didn't get to this one at all. And that's all the stuff I'm donating. That's good, right? Good. I kind of organized Rob's stuff a little bit. These are all his work shirts. So that's his work section. Yeah. I did pretty good. Managed to clear off everything off the floor. The truck?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Right here.
Come on, man. Gee. Turn up. Turn on your knee.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing.
Be later tonight. I have the two younger ones
And mommy?
in the tub. I am so far behind when it comes to getting them ready for bed. It's like a little after 8 o'clock. They usually go down around 9 o'clock. But I like to kind of like calm them down, like, you know. So I have to get them out the tub. They're going to play for like 5 minutes in the tub. That's as much as I'm going to allow. And then get them out, put lotion on, put their PJs on. And put another load of laundry in the dryer. Fold some towels because for some reason they're going through a lot of towels. I have to get my towels and stuff in the dryer and get them back in the linen closet. But I'm gonna go hurry up and take them out the tub. And actually I gotta go pick up their PJs. See, I'm telling you, I'm like so far behind. So far behind. Someone switched off this switch. Okay, I don't know what happened. Because usually this switch turn on and off is like, maybe it's not in the right one. If that works. There you go. There you go. So. Hold on. You guys hold it on. Okay, so I got one child PJs picked out. Still got Maddie. So I don't do nighttime routine because I'm not good at it. I am not good at it. Destiny's taking a shower in my bathroom. And then after I'm done with the older kiddos, then I have to send the twin boys in to take a shower. That's why I say I started late. Maddie's room, I have to lock up her window. This is a routine, you know what I mean? It's a routine. I pick out her PJs. Oh, I love her little PJ drawer. I think I'm gonna put a dress on her. Oh, her PJs from last night. Her PJs from last night are still clean, so I'm just gonna use those. So, if at all possible, I try to let them reuse PJs just to cut down on the laundry. You know, I got time. For the little ones, not so much, but because they sweat and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm gonna go take them out the tub and then come back and end this video.
Gotta help me. I have you, sister. What are you doing here? Nothing. What happened to me? You just died. You died. I got kidnapped. Yeah. Oh. Where all this soap come from? Yeah. I'm so wet now. Oh, sister, what did you do to me? Baba. You will not get away next time. Who just said that?
I didn't show your hair. You see it? So my neighbor started it and I finished it. So cute. She's cute. Did you put lotion on?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. Deodorant? Please put deodorant on. Brush your teeth. Boys! One of you can use my shower. One of you can use my shower. The younger ones are still in the bathtub. Or you guys want to wait?
I can wait.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Alright.
Wow.
Hey, pretty girl. Hey. No pushing. Hey, pretty girl. Go on. You ready for bed?
Did my hair.
Ready for bed?
Or my mom and my neighbor did.
Your hair got messed up. I'll fix it tomorrow, okay?
Jenna.
She cut the front of her hair, so I had to put something. It won't keep.
I wish I had waffles.
But anyways, guys, this is it for the night. For tonight, my toddler is still on a 10. She's getting ready to go to bed. So, anywho, Madison, relax. I will see you guys
You're burning the house down.
on Wednesday. Bye, guys.